Have you ever wondered how non-playable characters in your favorite games seem to react intelligently to your actions? Well, it's all down to the magic of artificial intelligence, or as we know it, AI. AI in game development is the secret sauce that makes games feel alive and dynamic. It's not just about creating challenging opponents, although that's certainly a part of it. AI is about creating a world that responds to you, the player, in a way that feels natural and immersive. Imagine you're playing a stealth game. You've just knocked over a can, and the guards nearby react to the noise. That's AI at work. The game is using AI to understand that a noise should trigger an investigation from the guards, but the role of AI goes even deeper than that. AI is also used to create the illusion of a living, breathing world. It's what makes the citizens in a city go about their daily routines, or the wildlife in a forest behave in a realistic way. All of this contributes to a more immersive gaming experience. AI isn't just about making games harder, it's about making them feel real. It's about creating a world that reacts to your actions in a believable way. But AI is not just about the here and now, it's about the future. AI is constantly improving, and as it does, it's opening up new possibilities for game design. More advanced AI can create more complex and realistic behaviors, leading to even more immersive games. As game developers, we're just scratching the surface of what's possible with AI. We're starting to see games that use AI in innovative ways, creating experiences that were unimaginable just a few years ago. In essence, AI serves as the brain behind the interactive and dynamic elements we experience in games. It's what makes games feel alive. It's what makes them more than just a series of scripted events. And as AI continues to evolve, who knows what incredible experiences we'll be able to create in the future. Consider the critically acclaimed game, The Witcher 3: Wild Hunt, an excellent example of AI utilization. This game has set a high bar in the gaming industry, especially in terms of AI application. One of the most remarkable aspects of The Witcher 3 is how it breathes life into its non-player characters, or NPCs. Each NPC in the game exhibits unique behaviors, making the world of The Witcher 3 feel vibrant and alive. These characters don't just stand around waiting for the player to interact with them. Instead, they go about their daily routines. They react to weather changes, and they even respond to the actions of the main character. All of these dynamic behaviors are made possible by the sophisticated AI algorithms that control them. The AI in The Witcher 3 doesn't just stop at creating realistic NPC behaviors. It also plays a crucial role in making the game world feel alive and constantly changing. For instance, the game's wildlife, from deer to wolves to griffins, behaves in a realistic manner. They hunt, they flee, they fight, all driven by AI. This makes the game world feel like a living, breathing ecosystem, adding a level of immersion that's hard to find in many other games. The AI also affects the game's combat system, making each encounter unique and challenging. Enemies don't just charge at the player mindlessly. They adapt, they strategize, and they react to the player's actions, making every battle an exciting and unpredictable experience. But it's not just about making the game more challenging or realistic. The AI in The Witcher 3 also enriches the game's narrative. It allows for dynamic story progression, where the decisions made by the player can lead to different outcomes. This gives players a sense of agency, making them feel like they're truly part of the game world. The Witcher 3 is a testament to the power of AI in creating deeply immersive gaming experiences. It's a shining example of how AI can be used to not just enhance gameplay, but also to create a rich, dynamic world that players can lose themselves in. The advancements in AI have opened up a world of possibilities for game developers. Truly, we're on the cusp of a new era, where the games we create are not just static, pre-programmed experiences, but dynamic worlds that evolve and respond to each player's actions. Imagine a game where the characters don't just follow preset dialogue trees, but have their own personalities, motivations, and can engage in unique conversations with the player. This is where AI can take us. With the use of advanced natural language processing techniques, we can make game characters that can understand and respond to player input in a meaningful way. They can learn from past interactions and evolve over time, providing a level of immersion and realism that was previously unattainable. But it's not just the characters that can benefit from AI. The game world itself can become a living, breathing entity. AI can enable dynamic world building, where the environment responds and adapts to player actions. Forests can grow or shrink, cities can develop or decay, all based on the decisions made by the player. This level of dynamism can make each playthrough unique and personal, enhancing replayability and player engagement. And let's not forget about game mechanics. AI can make gameplay more unpredictable and challenging by adapting to the player's skill level and play style. Whether it's the enemy's strategy in a strategy game, the behavior of wildlife in a survival game, or the puzzles in an adventure game, AI can make these elements dynamic and responsive, providing a fresh experience every time. But perhaps the most exciting aspect is the potential for creativity. AI can be a tool for players to create their own stories and experiences within the game world. From designing their own characters and environments to creating their own quests and narratives, the possibilities are endless. The future of game development with AI promises even more immersive and engaging gaming experiences. As we push the boundaries of what is possible with AI, we're not just making better games, we're redefining what it means to play. Despite its potential, implementing AI in games is not without its challenges. First and foremost, let's talk about the technical challenges. The development of AI is a complex process that requires a deep understanding of both programming and the principles of artificial intelligence. It's a field that's constantly evolving, and keeping up with the latest advancements is a feat in itself. Additionally, designing an AI that can react to player actions in a believable and engaging way is no small task. Then there's the issue of resource constraints. Developing AI can be a time-consuming and resource-intensive process. It requires a team of skilled developers and a significant amount of processing power. For smaller studios, these requirements can be a major hurdle. Even for larger studios, the cost and time necessary to develop advanced AI systems can be prohibitive. And let's not forget about the risk of creating AI that's too complex for players to enjoy. Yes, we want our AI to be smart, but if it's too smart, it can make the game frustratingly difficult. On the flip side, if the AI is too predictable, it can make the game boring. Striking the right balance is crucial for maintaining player engagement and enjoyment. We also need to consider the ethical implications of AI development. As we create more advanced AI, questions about the boundaries of AI behavior and the potential for exploitation arise. These are not just technical challenges, but philosophical ones that we, as a society, need to answer. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of AI in gaming are immense. We're already seeing how AI can create more immersive, dynamic, and personalized gaming experiences. The future of gaming is undoubtedly intertwined with the future of AI. Overcoming these challenges will be key to unlocking the full potential of AI in game development. In today's discussion, we've explored the role of AI in game development, with a focus on its implementation in The Witcher 3. We've delved into how AI breathes life into the gaming world, shaping characters and creating unpredictable, dynamic environments. Our journey took us to the lands of The Witcher 3, where we saw firsthand how AI can be harnessed to create immersive and engaging experiences. We discussed the potential of AI in game development, how it promises to revolutionize the way we play and create games, bringing more depth, complexity, and realism. But we also acknowledged the challenges that lie ahead. The road to integrating AI in games isn't without its bumps, from the steep learning curve to the potential ethical implications. Remember, the journey of AI in game development is only just beginning, and the future holds exciting potential. Stay tuned for more discussions on this fascinating topic.